going to begin by drawing the plate. That's the first drawing in the PDF that was handed out in last week's class. It's an 11.5 inch wide by 8 1/4 inch plate, so we're going to get right to work on it. I'm going to use lines instead of a rectangle. Pick a start point, come straight down 8.25, I'm going to go straight across 11.5, and come back up 8.25, and I'm just going to pick the end point to close it out. Each corner has a radius of 1 for a fillet, so I'm going to use my fillet command and pick radius, type in 1, hit return, pick that line, hit the space bar to get back into fillet, pick, space, pick, space, pick. There's a circle at the center of this, which is a 2 1/4 inch diameter circle. A bunch of different ways I can do it. I'm going to do it the easiest way. Go right from the line from the top middle point to this middle point. I'm going to draw a circle, center, diameter, hover over the midpoint, type in 2.25. I have my circle. Now I'm going to draw a horizontal cross here from side to side. I'm going to offset the circle here using the T command, or through, T space, pick that and just come out a little and pick. Now I'm going to use my trim command, select that outer circle, hit the space bar, and then just go around the horn and pick these here. I'm going to erase that line out, that circle out. Now I have a cross here. I'm going to select it, see if I have a center line in here. I don't. So I'm going to click on Other, Load. I'm going to scroll on down until I see Center, okay, pick the 2 again, drop down, center. Slap some dimensions on it, linear dimension from here to here. Now there's a side view of this item, and you can see the bottom of it has 2 sloping ends. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull these lines straight down from here, so I'm right below it. It tells me it's 4 inches across the bottom to get to the break point. So I'm going to use my offset command, 4 return, select this point, and select that point. I'm just going to draw a line just straight across. The plate is 3/8 of an inch thick, so I'm going to trim between there and there. So that's the bottom of the plate. And I'm going to offset this line 3/8 of an inch. Offset, 3/8 return, pick that line, go up with it. On the left edge it gives me 2 dimensions, 1 3/4 over and 1 inches up. So I'm going to pick my line command. Starting point is this end point here. I'm going to go over 1.75. I'm going to go up 1, hit return, come back and just pick that intersection where I started. I'm going to erase those 2 lines, and now I've put in the slope portion of this plate. Go back to my offset command, hit the return to accept the 3/8, pick the item, offset it. I'm going to use my fillet command, but I'm going to use a radius of 0 to fillet these 2 points right here. So fillet, R space, 0, return, pick, and I have a fillet there. I connect these 2 endpoints with a line, L space, from endpoint to endpoint. This top corner has a 1/4 inch radius on it, so back to my fillet. I need to put a radius in, 1/4, return, top line, pick, there. So I want to mirror all this to this side, but to make sure I get exactly half and half, I'm going to use my trim command, select my center line, hit the space bar, and just trim everything to the right of it. I'm going to erase that. Use my mirror command, I select all these, hit the space bar because I'm done selecting, pick, and now I have my plate drawn to scale. To put dimensions on it, I'm going to use my linear dimensions. Add a center line. Now the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the seam right here where these meet, I'm going to pull that up and draw a line from that intersect straight up. I'm going to trim it. Hit the space bar, pick. I'm going to change it to a dash line. And I'm going to mirror that. And we're done.